It's March 2025. That means it's time to take a look at days on market, inventory, and sales price for those three cities that we always track: Coronado, Newport Coast, and Newport Beach, so we can see what the trends are telling us for the balance of the first quarter 2025.
I'm Kiwi of the coast, the agent with the most.
Helping you maximize and sell the value of your coastal home. Right, let's dive into this juicy data. New listings, single family in those three cities. This is the lifeblood of any market. Now, last month we had a huge jump. It was 90 homes new to the market. What happened last month of February? 76, so it dropped a bit. That's a bit of a concern. What was it a year ago though? 73. So we had a slight increase year over year, but man, we need those new listings to come on to really breathe some life into this market. Before we look at the actual closings, let's take a look at what's transacting, meaning going under contract or pending. Well, had a bit of a jump. 43 last month, jumping to 55 for the month of February. So that's good news, but what that does is takes away what little inventory we have, puts it into the sold column. Good for the buyers, they've finally secured a home, but it doesn't leave a lot of choice on the table for the other buyers looking. Number of sales, well, 40 is the new number for February. 36 last month, 40 the month before, 32 a year ago. So we're really pretty constant in the number of homes that are actually transacting and closing. Days on market, 66, that's over 2 months. Last month, that was in January. February, it dropped into the 50s. So it's a good sign. Those houses now in the selling season. Remember, we always talk about the seller season being from end of Super Bowl to the 4th of July. So we are starting to see those homes come off the market a little bit quicker. Active listings, well, we've jumped up to 260 and change for the last month. Now it was 230 and change the prior month, a little bit over 200 in December last year. So we've seen a steady increase in the active inventory, and we expect to see this at this time of the year. Boy, if we don't, we're really in trouble. Average list price, what a big change month over month. The prior month, January, it was 9.3. That was a crazy number. And it dropped back to around 6.8, the average list price. Good news for buyers, because it means that those homes that are below 6.8 have come onto the market to balance out that average and drive it down to the 6.8s. That's all that's happening. More lower priced inventory along the coast. Average sales price though, 5.7 in January. It jumped to over 6 million for the month of February. So those buyers are active, even though those interest rates are a little higher. Honestly, they're being pretty static in the high 6s, low 7s, and buyers seem to realize that that is the new norm, so they're jumping in. So we're seeing an average sales price in the low 6s today. The real estate market, boy, it's constantly changing. So click on the video that's on your screen right now so I can keep you up to date with sales price, days on market, inventory, all those factors affecting you and the real estate market. We'll see you on the next one. The Room.